Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree? Yes. Taking thought beyond what it has been before, new awarenesses, new satisfaction, new remembering who you really are, new eagerness about who you are becoming. Yes, it's nice to be with you. We're happy that you have decided to be here. Your anticipation about this has preceded your physical arrival, and so the non-physical part of you has come forward even before you dragged your physical bodies here. And so everyone here, and we have you outnumbered, is eager about this conversation, this longer than usual, exceptionally valuable to you and to us and to all that is conversation about creation, about being joyful, about remembering that life is supposed to feel good to you. Life is supposed to be fun because you are a creator in an environment you came to create in, and your own deliberate thinking of thoughts, your own deliberate setting of your own vibrational tone, your own personal conscious integration into your time and space provides for you and for all that is continual new expansion. You are leading edge creators in a leading edge environment, and you can't slow or stop the leading edge, but you can personally not keep up with it. And we're not talking about a leading edge that has been assigned by someone else, or even the leading edge that the collective consciousness that is you has provided. We're talking about your own personal leading edge that your own contrasting life continues to provide. So this continual new awareness, new becoming is happening for you and about you all day, every day. And the question that we want you to address and get a handle on is, how well are you keeping up with your own leading edge? Because every bit of satisfaction comes from you moving in the direction of your own leading edge. When life causes you to expand or to become more, you got to keep up with it, or at least be moving in the direction of it. Because if you're moving in opposition to your own desire, if what you are perceiving in some moment in time is causing you to reflect on things that are in vibrational opposition to your own desire, that creates a resistance within your vibrational field that shows up in your personal experience as negative emotion. That's what negative emotion always means. It means you have become something more than you are in the moment of your negative emotion, allowing yourself to recognize or be in vibrational alignment with. And so that's mostly what we'll be talking about today, how you can keep up with you, how you can move in the direction of who you really are. Because as you've moved through life, sifting through the contrast, the glorious contrast that is the basis of all expansion in all of the universe, as you are participating in this contrast, two different things are happening. The most significant is that you are coming to new awarenesses of what you prefer, whether you're speaking it out loud or not. You just can't live in a moment in time without the experience causing you to identify what you would prefer. It's just how we are all oriented. So as you're radiating those preferences, the non-physical part of you understands the newness that you have discovered, focuses upon it unequivocally with no resistance, becomes immediately a vibrational match to the new expanded version of you, which gives you an opportunity then to feel even more keenly your relationship with your own inner being, whether you're flowing in the direction of your new expansion or not. So while life is causing you to continually expand, it is also showing you what thoughts and habits of thoughts, that's what a belief is. A belief is just a thought that you continue to think. What habits of thought that you're bringing forward with you into your new day and your new day and your new day and your new day that are hindering the newness that you are asking to be. You hold beliefs from past experiences, maybe something that happened to you, maybe something that happened to someone else that you observed, maybe something that happened to your parents or their parents that they told the story often enough that you became a vibrational participant in that story. But what we're getting at is, at the same time that life, your life, is causing you to constantly expand, it's possible, probable, happening all day every day, that the life that you have lived is holding you back from the expansion because you just keep believing stuff. And by believing it, we mean thinking about it, we mean activating it, we mean introducing it into your right now vibrational point of attraction. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You heard that, didn't you? So if you want something but you believe in opposition to it, your inner being has already become the vibrational equivalent of what you want and is calling you toward it, because there is this vibrational reality where all cooperative components are being gathered and you are being gathered. You are the launcher of the desire. But if you're continuing to beat the drum of something that is not a vibrational match to what you are asking for, you're introducing resistance, and you can feel it. That's what negative emotion is. And often you do it without even knowing you're doing it. You don't really know across the board what beliefs you currently believe that are in your way. And the reason is because, you might want to write this down, you believe so much in your beliefs. You believe so much in them, and we understand why you believe in them, because when you believe something, you offer a vibration about it and you keep recreating it. So something that happened a long time ago, you keep renewing your membership to. You keep bringing it forward. And so then the memory, which could be very slight or non-existent at this point, is really active and alive, because you talked about it today and you talked about it yesterday and you talked about it the day before, even though it happened 20 years ago. And so when people encounter you, you're a fresh new person. And if you're like most humans, you're regurgitating a lot of old stuff. So things don't change very much if that's what's going on with you. Oh, different faces in different places, but same old, because you continue to offer these same belief patterns.